The Graco Benton Crib in white offers versatility with its 5-in-1 convertibility, allowing it to transition smoothly from a crib to a toddler bed, daybed, and even a full-size bed. This crib is designed to grow with your child, featuring an adjustable mattress support base with 4 different height options to ensure safety and comfort. With GREENGUARD Gold and JPMA certifications, this crib meets rigorous safety standards, ensuring it is free from over 10,000 harmful chemicals and VOCs. Crafted from quality pine wood and wood composites, the Graco Benton Crib showcases excellent craftsmanship and durability, while the packaging is designed to minimize shipping damage. Graco, the brand behind the Benton Crib, is highly recognized, having earned the PTPA Seal of Approval and the Women's Choice Award, reflecting strong customer satisfaction. Assembly is required for the Graco Benton Crib, and while the mattress and conversion kits are sold separately, the crib's overall design promises a long-lasting investment for your nursery.